What's going on, everybody? It's KZ here, and I'm back with another wavy video. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm actually going to walk you through the ways that I like to ship and package my clothing for my brand called It's Wavy. If you're new here, I love to create clothing. I actually currently live in Atlanta, Georgia right now, but my brand, as you can tell, is called It's Wavy. I was actually born and raised in California, so the ocean and the waves is something that I truly identify with, and creating a brand that is all about positive energy is what I stand for. But over the course of the couple years that I've owned this brand, I've learned a lot about packaging and shipping, how to save money, how to increase shipping times, and do all of the above. So that's what this video is about. So let's start off with packaging supplies. I've spent a lot of money when it comes to trying to understand how do you ship packages, what is it going to cost? And I'm going to save you a ton of time. So if you didn't know this, the USPS actually provides you with free shipping supplies. So on the screen right now, you can see that if you go to the website, which I'll link below as well, you can choose what shipping packages that you want for free. I actually just have one right here that we're going to be using for this video. This is a priority mail package that I actually ship all of my t-shirts, hoodies, and it makes it really easy when you use a service like Shopify, which is the website that I sell my merchandise on. You're able to really just set up the dimensions and what it costs. And I want to say for every single order that I'm shipping currently, it's all about weight, right? So these hoodies roughly cost anywhere between $6 to $10 for shipping, depending on where you live. But honestly, that's not that bad. And having a USPS branded package creates for a much easier shipping process. The worst thing that can happen is when you sell an item that is pretty expensive, whatever it may be, and then the post office ends up shipping it back to your home because you do it incorrectly. So it's time for me to actually package an It's Wavy hoodie. I just got an order last night, and I figured this would be a great opportunity for me to walk you through my process. So first step, what I do is I go into my Shopify and I look at my orders and I see the size of the hoodie. So I sold a large hoodie for this demonstration. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the package and essentially open it up, make sure everything looks good. And then I'm going to use the sticky part because these shipping materials actually have an awesome sticky part where you can leverage tape as well. I definitely still recommend that, but it just kind of allows it for easy usage. And so what I'm gonna do right now is actually print the packing slip and also the shipping information, right? So I just use my printer. I recommend that you go out and buy, sticky tape, not tape, but sticky paper that you can just peel off. But personally, I don't mind cutting all of my pieces of paper to stamp it onto the package. But as I'm scaling the brand, I definitely foresee myself purchasing a vinyl printer, if you will, or a shipping printer that allows for lots of orders all at once, right? So when you are shipping your packages, I definitely encourage with your brand, you have something that you can provide in the envelope that makes your brand shine, right? And is cost effective. If you're starting out, it's super cheap to be able to make your own stickers for your brand. So every single order that I get, I put the packing slip into the package, and then I put an It's Wavy sticker, like one or two, into the package as well. But ultimately on the packing slip, I also like to say thank you so much for the support, and I sign my name. If you think about any small business that you support, when you get a signature or you get a nice little note from the person selling, it just adds that personalization. Any sort of small business or large business, being able to be personalized is going to add that human element, but most importantly, allow for returning and reoccurring customers. So once I get the hoodie inside, I got the personalization, it's time to just pack it up. So what I do is I just take the tape, on all ends, the top, the bottom, and I put the postage right there. And then after that, it's pretty much good to go. I can typically knock out, I want to say anywhere between 5 to 10 orders in 45 minutes to an hour. I've gotten this process, pretty much to a T. So I still currently work my full-time job. And after work, if I get orders throughout the day, I'll just spend it shipping and packaging the orders, but it really doesn't take me that much time. You know, I think there's something to be said, and there's an excitement level to when you get an order and then you get to package it and be personalized, because you know that somebody spent their hard-earned money to invest in your brand, which ultimately impacts, you know, your consumers and the business. And so I really hope that this was helpful. If you are a small business owner or you're interested in building out a brand, I highly encourage you. You know, having It's Wavy a part of my life, it's kind of been super wavy, right? There's been times where I've invested a lot of energy into it, and then I kind of took a couple steps back, and now I'm actually going all in. And so if you want to follow me on this journey, be sure to click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, because I'm very passionate about creating content along this journey. But if you've made it this far in this video, I want to actually give you a 20% discount code on these It's Wavy tie-dye hoodies. All you need to do when you check out is type in WAVY20 for the discount code. I literally only have like 15 left, I want to say. So if you use that discount code, you'll be able to get 20% off. But no worries, you just watching this video makes me super stoked about what the future holds. And also, I'm working on a potential drop for 4th of July. I'm not going to say exactly what it is, but if you want to keep up to date with the brand specifically, hit me with that follow. It's Wavy Worldwide over on Instagram. I'm super stoked for everything that's happening. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or you have any ideas of what's to come here on this YouTube channel, feel free to hit me with it. I have a bunch of concepts and things that I want to start sharing with all of you. I want to let y'all know what's been happening in my personal life, you know, the things that I'm doing at my job with the brand and all of the above. I want to loop you guys in more. But without further ado, I hope y'all had an incredible time watching this video. And as always, it's Wavy.
100% I'm here for you. Wanna be blessed, let's make some room. 100% I'm here for you. I feel the peace when you're by my side. I can see the sun shine within your eyes. I just wanna minimize every distraction. I got unstoppable passion. I'm trying to pick up more traction and do the things I